How to change Telegram password. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to change your Telegram password, what you're simply gonna do is first launch the Telegram application on your device. After you've done that, in the top left corner of your screen, you can see the three bar option. Click on it, then go to settings. After you go to settings, under settings over here, you can see the option which says privacy and security. Open it. Then in security, you can see various options. Just go to the option which says two-step verification, which is on the top. After you go here, you have to enter your password, or if you forgot it, go to forgot password and set a new one. So just enter your old password, then click on the arrow. Now it will show you three options to change password, disable password, and set a recovery email. Just go to change password, then enter a new password. After you have done that, your password will be new. So this is how you can change the password on Telegram. Thanks a lot for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.